What's up, warriors? Todd Dowell here with another video, and this is the Shopify series showing you how to set up your own online store. And as the beginning of this series, what I talked about was how to earn $90 per hour with your store. And so today is a crucial step in setting up your store because we're going to hop into product research. Okay, this is some ninja product research I'm going to be sharing with you on this video. Something you definitely shouldn't take lightly. Follow every step of what I'm going to be sharing with you inside of this tutorial, because if you don't do this, you're going to be wasting a whole lot of time and wasting money on products that just do not convert and products that people really do not want out in the marketplace. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to hop on over to my computer where I'm going to share with you the ninja product research strategy that will allow you to find winning products in record-breaking time that will give you the profit that you want with your store. Hey folks, back with this tutorial here, and I wanted to share with you guys some results so far with this store, and I want to be as transparent as possible as far as the numbers that is being made versus the profit, etc. Before heading into exactly how I do my product research, now my team does product research for clients and etc. So what you see right now is 249. This month so far, since we've just started the store, it's been like 5 days or something like that, and we're still in testing mode. And we've generated $1,300. Now this is not our take-home pay, this is gross, and I want to be transparent with you because a lot of people that I've come across think that this is supposed to be some overnight success, and all of the numbers that you see on these Shopify earnings and all that is just 100% profit, and it's not true. We do have expenses, and I'm actually going to share with you the expense sheet that I have together just to kind of keep track of my numbers and what's going on. And I'm showing this again just to be transparent. I haven't done the spreadsheet all the way up until today, but I did the first like 3 days. But you can see on this screen here, all right, it's not that much profit in the beginning when you're testing. Okay, things are not peachy cream from day one. Although this campaign from day one profit, day two profit, here we start doing some scaling. Right, we started scaling some of our ads, and as a result, some of our ad campaigns took off and some didn't. And so this day we're in the negative. All right, so not every day is net profit in the beginning because you're trying to see what's working. You're testing ad copy. You're trying to see what's going on with these campaigns. Where's the bleeding at in these campaigns and stuff like that. So you're doing a lot of split testing. Okay, just to put it to frank. All right, and this is just the hard truth, and you got to be willing to go through doing this in order to see big profit days, because you're not going to go and find a product and set up some campaigns and all of a sudden you're making freaking $1,000 profit a day, $2,000 profit a day. It doesn't work that way. You got to work your way up. Some days you lose money. Some days, this is a rare case. However, like most of the time, it's always red, red, green, green, green. It starts working its way into the profit. But as long as you could break even, or the amount of money that you're losing on that campaign is comfortable with you and your budget that you set aside, then you could rock away with it. But if I'm always seeing red here, something's going on here, and I'm not. It's too many different things to go and split test to get it into the profit and all that kind of stuff. I'm not really looking for those types of products. I'm looking for products that just start making money right away when I set up campaigns in the first 24 hours. If I don't see that and I'm all in the red and it's in continue on for 3 days, I'm shutting off that. I'm not even going to go after that product anymore. Okay, and that's what you got to do to minimize risk whenever you're marketing these types of stores. But anyways, in the rant, I'm going to go and hop into sharing with you how to find profitable products that help you to get results straight away with the techniques and everything that I'm going to be sharing with you inside of this series. All right, so step number 3 is a product research formula, and obviously I'm going to be sharing with you how to go through these steps, because step number 1 is to find a big e-com store on Facebook, and I'm going to show you the exact strategy I use on Facebook in order to just uncover these gem stores, these big stores, and I'm going to show you how to see what their latest launch products are, because obviously if you go to their store, you're not going to know exactly which product launched on their store. And so step number 3 of this process is then what we're also going to do is we're going to check the product popularity on AliExpress. Very important to know if their numbers are growing on AliExpress. This does indicate that this is a hot selling product, and then also at the same time it allows us to see if we can actually source the product. So, and then the last thing that we're going to do is we're going to search on product, basically search for the product on Amazon, and we're going to get bundle ideas, because on Amazon they like to, put things together in a way where you can see what other products people are purchasing with the product that you found, which would be a hot seller. So I already did some research because the sake of this video, I didn't want it to go too long. But if you go on Facebook, and we're going to use Facebook here to uncover this big e-com store on Facebook. So basically, I'm going to go to Facebook right now, and what I did was, okay, let me go ahead and type back. What I did was I actually typed this in the search up top, 60 off, free shipping, because this is a number that a lot of retailers make for their stores, and it allows me to uncover other people's stores by typing that in the search on Facebook. Okay, so that's just like a free way of doing it. There are tools out there that will uncover the super hidden gems of like uncovering dark posts and stuff like that, which is another piece, another part of this. But you can actually still find some good stores on here. But anyways, what I did was I typed in that search, and I came across this shoe here. And then I clicked on this link here, which obviously they're telling us to go to their store. So once I did that, I arrived on a page just like this. And if I refresh this here, you're going to see one indication this is a good store is, let me go ahead and move this up a little bit. See this pop-up down here? This pop-up is just going at it like every 5 minutes, every 10 minutes, blah, blah, blah. And so that's one indication that it is a good store to, to get a good example of what's selling and what's not selling. And this store looks to be selling just shoes. So another thing that I do is I use this Chrome extension called Commerce Inspector. And if you Google Commerce Inspector, then you'll find out that they do have a free trial and whatnot to use their product, but you're limited to how many stores you can actually look into. But anyway, just without even paying for anything, without even using up a part of my free trial, I click this button over here, and it brings up the store details, and it shows me what other stores are connected to this person. So this person has multiple stores, and we can check on any one of these stores to also get more ideas on getting products. But then there's a tab up here that says, I think it's products. Yeah, if you go to products, it says recently launched products, and if you scroll down, it'll give you the recently launched products here. These are the products that I go after to actually launch out in the marketplace. I don't want to launch products that they are already dominating. I want to get on products that they just launched and are trying to get off the ground. Okay, and that gives me a better head start as a smaller company to tackle those products that really go viral, because this company has a really good idea. They have a product research team that's put in place, and you want to take advantage of that, because obviously they're putting in all the hard work, and they got a team in place. They're paying money to do research, and these are the products that they come up with to launch. It's the smartest move for you to grow your business quickly without just jumping out there with a bunch of competition for a product. So I only use products that I find through that method, that of the recently launched products. I don't go after the product that's killing it for them. I go after what they're currently going after. Now, if you subscribe to this this store, sometimes what happens is they give you more details. So if I hit this button, okay, so it's not gonna give me any more data for this, and they're not gonna use up one of my subscription spots. But so anyways, this is a good store to go and check out. And so that's how I use my research method to find hot selling products right off of Facebook. I would continue to go down even further. If I go up here and it says see all, I will continue to go down further. Like, there's so many different posts and so many different ads. You just want to look for the most popular ones of products, you know, a whole bunch of likes, you know, on these posts. This would be something I would look into too. There go the shoes again, like 300,000 views. Stay away from copyright stuff. Here's another store, 6K likes. So just go through all these, like, it just goes on and on and on. I can be scrolling forever, but you'll get so many different product ideas to launch products that are hot, but at the same time, you uncover different stores that you can look into and see what are the hottest products to launch. Because, like I said again, that product may be dying down or died down, and because some of these posts are like, you know, May 19th, July 3rd, so it's a while back. You want to see what they most recently launched and see what's killing it for them. So that's what I do with product research, and I load up my store with at least 5 of these winners, and then like I create like filler products around those. So I would go to AliExpress and I would find products based around the winning type products that I found that I'm going to launch, you know, using social media campaigns. All right, so just to give you like a better, clear example, or like a clear answer for that, let me go ahead and go to this document here. I'm just going to type here, launch, find, this is like your homework, find 5 recently launched products. Okay. Then you're going to set up 5 social media campaigns. Now, it doesn't matter if you don't know how to set up social media campaigns. You're going to learn that through this series. But you're going to find 5 most recently launched products on big e-com stores that are currently making a lot of money through their store and launching, you know, a lot of different products. Okay, and then I definitely would look into getting the Commerce Inspector Chrome extension. Oops. The Chrome extension, because that's going to really help you to find those products using this method. Okay, that's what we're doing. And yeah, so after that, you would go to AliExpress, and find I would say 5 filler products based around your 5 campaign products. Hopefully that makes total sense. I'm pretty much running out of time here for today's session, but that's what I would do. Find 5 most recently launched products on these winning stores, set up 5 social media campaigns, which we'll talk about in the future, get Commerce Inspector Chrome extension, go to AliExpress and find 5 filler products based around the 5 campaigns that you're setting up on these 5 products. And that's pretty much it. Okay, so I hope you guys got some value out of this training today. What I'm going to do right now is share with you how you're going to be able to utilize these trainings and really set up a store that's going to flourish and win. And so over the next series, you guys that are just coming onto this video need to go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And then for those of you that are already on this channel and you haven't hit the notification bell, make sure you hit those, because when I drop these new videos, you're going to get notifications right on your phone, which is key in the process with this. So anyways, with all that being said, folks, you guys take care, and I will definitely see you at the top.